Hello, this is the fourth time. This is take 4. I've already explained it to you in the other ones. It's a challenge set forth by a person who works at Sporkle to do this, so I'm doing it, but I'm making my own challenge because I could do this so fast. And if this happens to me again where commercials keep popping up, they wasted over 2 minutes. And then as soon as my time gets maxed out on Screencast-O-Matic, as soon as that happens and my time runs out, then I go back and boom, I finish it like that. But it's never been recorded yet, so I'm going to start it right now. I'm not even going to wait. I usually try to give it first minute of introduction, but now I'm going to waste my time. All right, now I'm still going to try to do it the harder way, but if it does that to me again, that's it. I guess I can talk. It doesn't really matter. See, the reason it makes it easier if you do it one at a time, like, there's 14 Caribbeans. So you go in there, there's St. Kitts and Nevis. Now I would do, say, Trinidad, Tobago. And you could triple them. You could do that, and you could do Antigua and Barbuda, that's 3. Then you could do the 2 Dominicans, that's 5. Then you could do the 3 Saints, and then Grenada, and you just do them all at the same time. But I'm trying to bounce around and make it more challenging. And then they keep giving me commercials like jerks. There we go. South Africa. I just look at a spot and I see Denmark, so I put in Denmark. I look at Russia, so I see Russia. I look at Libya, so I put in Libya. I don't know what that is. Botswana, I think. Yeah, that's Botswana. All right, Australia. I'm just trying to look at different parts of the map. What is that? Luxembourg. That is Tunisia. Liberia. Let's see. Côte d'Ivoire. Hey, I finally got it right. Without having to redo it. Almost Botswana again. Namibia. What is that? That is Mauritius. Morocco. Right. What is that? That's Taiwan. That is Palau. That is Bahamas. That is Brazil. That is Solomon Islands. That is France. That is Burkina Faso. Mauritania. Samoa. What is that? Finland. Andorra. That is Paraguay. Georgia. That is North Korea. Looking at a spot and all the stuff is taken but one. That is Bolivia. That is Estonia. Uh-oh, wrong. That's Latvia. All right, that is Tajikistan. That is Fiji. Cameroon. Ghana. Guinea. Gabon. Angola. What is that? Monaco. Ukraine. Guatemala. What is that? Peru? Okay, that is Cape or Cabo Verde. All right. Peru. Gambia. All right. What is that? I was looking for Lithuania. All right, Moldova. Colombia. What is that over there? That is Marshall Islands. All right. All right. That is Tuvalu. Iceland. Cyprus. Niger. CAR. Netherlands. Chad. Egypt. Kyrgyzstan. Nigeria. All right, Czechia. Suriname. Bosnia Herzegovina. What's that? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Suriname. No, it's not. It's Guyana. All right. That is Austria. That is Montenegro. Turkey. That is, I have no idea what is that. Okay, there we go. Kuwait. Palestine. Burundi. Bahrain. Bhutan. Laos. Croatia. Hungary. Romania. Dominica. UAE. CAR. Already got. Democratic Republic of Congo. Republic of Congo. Costa Rica. Zambia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Tanzania, Kenya, what is that? Slovenia, Slovakia, Greece, bouncing back and forth, Syria, Jordan, I got Bhutan, I got Nepal, I got Bangladesh. Dominican Republic, Jamaica, Greece, Turkey, Italy, Vatican, Bulgaria. What is that? That is Burundi. No, it's not Burundi. That is Uganda. And then there is Sudan, South Sudan, Myanmar. All right, good. I got 3.5 minutes left to get this done. Let's just blast it. All right, what's down there? St. Lucia, St. Vincent, Grenada. Oh, I already got Grenada. Barbados. I don't think I did Haiti or Cuba. There we go. All right. Switzerland, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, San Marino. What is that? Liechtenstein. I don't know what that is. Romania, Hungary, Serbia, Kosovo. Nope. I got Kosovo. All right, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Albania, Egypt, Sudan, Lebanon, Qatar. Can I please get a Qatar? All right, and I need Georgia, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, Brunei. What is that? Singapore. What is that over there? That is Samoa, Tonga, Tuvalu, Vanuatu. And what is that? What is that? Palau. That's Papua New Guinea. I thought I did that one already. Lesotho, Brunei, Eswatini. All right, Somalia. Somalia must be done already. All right, Djibouti, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Tanzania, I already got Kenya, Mozambique, Uganda, Rwanda, and what is that last one? Malawi? There you go. All right. I didn't do it in less than 10 minutes, but I kept putting commercials on, and it kept doing stuff that it shouldn't have done. But at least I mean, like, maybe I'll have to, with all these stupid commercials, maybe I'll just try to blast it as fast as I can and get it done in like 7-8 minutes. But the challenge is met. That's good enough. Ooh, all right. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.